Good morning, students. Today we will begin our new chapter, that means operations and Venn diagrams. It is related to sets only. Operations on Venn diagram means representation of set with the help of Venn diagram. That means how you can represent the elements of any set with the help of Venn diagram. So the first one is given union of two sets. What is the meaning of union? For example, here the set A contains 3 elements 2, 4, 6 and the set B contains the elements 6, 8 and 10. So what will be the set A union B? A union B means the elements of A and B. The elements of A and B. Then what is the meaning of intersection? For example, A intersection B. A intersection means the common elements of A and B. Here it is. See just. Intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets means the common elements of A and B. Just see here. The set A contains the element 2, 4, 6 and 8 and B contains the element 4, 8 and 12. So what are the common element here? 4 he is having as well as 8. So 4 and 8 are the common elements of A and B. So A intersection B means 4 and 8. Understood? Union means all the elements. What? Union means all the elements of set A and B. And intersection means only the common elements of set A and B, or can P and Q, it can be anything. Now disjoint sets. What is the meaning of disjoint sets? Disjoint set means a set which does not have any element common. That means just see here, set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is given -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So disjoint means that no element common should be there. No common element should be there. Means disjoint set. That means here in A and B, a set in which there is no common element. In simple words, a set in which there is no common element is known as disjoint set. Next, overlapping set. Overlapping set means a set which have at least one common element. There can be more, but at least one common element should be there. If common element is there, then that is overlapping set. Just see, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the elements of set A. 1 and 2 are the elements of set B. So 2 is common. So what is this? So A and B are overlapping sets. And when common is not there, then they are disjoint sets. Understood? Now I will explain complement of a set. That means A complement. How you can find A complement? Just see, universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is given 1, 3, 5. First, what is universal set? Universal set means a set which contains all the elements of the defined set. If here B is given, the elements of B will be there in universal set. Now how you can find A complement? A complement means, see, 1 is there in both, cut. 3 is there, cut. 5 is there, cut. What are the elements that are left? 2 and 4. So the elements other than A, the elements in the universal set, the elements in the universal set other than A is known as a complement. Just see 1, 3, 5 are there. What are the elements that are not present in A? 2 and 4. So the elements of universal set that are not present in A will be the A complement. Okay, now we'll solve some sums. So we'll solve this exercise. Here universal set is given, set P is given, set Q is given, set R is given. Now you have to find the following according to this. Now you have to find the P complement. How you can find the complement of P? The universal set which is not having the elements of P will be P complement. Just see 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there. What are the elements that are remained? 8 and 10. So P complement will be 8 and 10. Next, complement of Q. How you will find? From the universal set. Just see 5 is there, 6 is there, 10 is there. So what are the elements that are not present in Q? That are 7, 8 and 9. So the complement of Q will be 7, 8 and 9. Next, R. What are the elements of R not present in universal set will be R complement. Just see only 5 and 9. So this is 5 and this is 9. Only these are present. So which are not present? 6, 7, 8 and 10. So 6, 7, 8 and 10 will be R complement. Next, P minus Q. That means you have to subtract Q from P. So 5 is there, 6 is there. So what are the elements that are not present in Q? 7 and 9. So P minus Q will be, what are the elements of P minus Q? 7 and 9. The elements of P that are not present in Q will be P minus Q. Next, Q union R. Union means what? The elements of Q and R. But if any element is repeated twice, then you have to write that element single time. For example, just see Q and R, 5, 5. 2 times is there, but you will write here 1 time. So 5, 6, 9 and 10 will be the elements of Q union R. That means Q union R means all the elements of Q and R. Next, P intersection R. Intersection means common elements of P and R. Just see the elements of P is 5, 6, 7 and 9 and the elements of R is 5 and 9. So common elements are 5 and 9. So what will be the elements of set P intersection R? 5 and 9. Now next, P minus Q union R. So first you will find what? Q union R. Q union R means the elements of Q and R 5, 6, 10 and 9. And the elements of P 5, 6, 7 and 9. So 5 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there. Which is the element that is not present in Q union R? That is 7. So what will be P minus Q union R? 7. Next question. P minus Q intersection R. Q intersection R means the common element of Q and R. So what is the common element of Q and R? Just see 5. Yes or no? 5 is present in Q as well as in R. So Q union R is 5 and the elements of P is 5, 6, 7 and 9. So P minus Q union R means the elements of P that are not present in Q union R. So 5 is present. So the left elements are 6, 7 and 9. So what will be the elements of P minus Q intersection R? 6, 7 and 9. Just kept one thing in mind. Here in bracket Q union R is given. So first what you will solve? We will solve bracket. That means Q union R. Then we will write the elements of P and then we will subtract Q union R from P. Got it? Same as here. First we will find Q intersection R. Then we will subtract Q intersection R from P. Now next question. Let the universal set be X such that X belongs to whole numbers and X is less than 9. So X is less than 9 and it belongs to whole number. Whole number means the numbers that begins from 0. So 0 to 8. Now A equals factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. B equals factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. The numbers that are divisible by 6. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 8. The numbers that are divisible by 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now you have to find the following sets. Here universal set is given A and B. Now what you have to find? You have to find A dash. What is A dash? The elements of A that are not present in universal set. Just see, 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 6 is present. So what are the elements that are not present? 0, 4, 5, 7, 8. That will be A complement. Next, complement of B. Complement of B or B dash means the elements of B that are not present in universal set. Just see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there. So what are the elements that are not present in universal set? 0, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Now the next question is A complement intersection B complement. Intersection means the common elements of A dash and B dash. So what are the common elements? 0, 5 and 7. Next, A complement union B complement means all the elements of A complement and B complement, but if any common element is there, that element should not be repeated. So 0 one time you will write, then 3, then 4, 5 one time you will write, then 6, then 7 one time you will write, then 8. Next, A union B complement, you have to verify, equals A complement intersection B complement. So universal set is given, A, the set of A is given, B is given. So in order to find A union B complement, what you have to find first? First you have to find this A union B. So A union B means all the elements of A and B. So what are the elements of A and B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then A union B complement means the elements of A union B that are not present in universal set. So just see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there. So what are the elements that are not present? 0, 5 and 7. So what is the answer for LHS? A union B complement equals 0, 5 and 7. Now next, A complement intersection B complement. As we have already found out this, A complement intersection B complement, the elements are 0, 5 and 7. So what? LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now the next question is, just see your book. Here in your book, A intersection bracket B union C is given. Just cut this C and denote it by this null set. This is a null set or empty set which does not contain any element. This set means the set which does not contains any element. So just correct in your book. Instead of this C, just write empty set. Why? Because in question, what is given? Only universal set A and B are given. C is not given, that's why. Now let's proceed. Here A intersection bracket B union empty set. So first what you will solve? We will solve bracket. So B union empty set. So empty set means there will not be any element. Yes or no? So what will be the union of B union empty set will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now next what you have to find? A intersection bracket B union empty set. So A is given 1, 2, 3, 6. Intersection means common elements of A and B union empty set. So what are the common elements? 1, 2. Got it? Now we will solve RHS. RHS is given A intersection B union A intersection empty set. So first we will solve bracket. A intersection B is 1 and 2. The common elements of A and B are 1 and 2. Then A intersection empty set will be nothing. Intersection means common element. So A intersection B union A intersection empty set. So now what you have to find out here? Union. Union means all the elements of A intersection B and A intersection empty set. So what are the elements? 1 and 2. So here also we got 1 and 2. Here also we got 1 and 2. So LHS equals RHS. Understood or not? One more time I will repeat this. First what you have to do? You have to solve the brackets. For example, B union empty set. Okay? Union means what? Union means all the elements of B and empty set. Empty set means this. Let us consider this. So 1, 2, 4, 8 will be there. Then the set A will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, then you have to solve this. A intersection bracket B union empty set. Intersection means common elements. The common elements of both are 1 and 2. Now let's come to RHS. You have to verify. That means you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So A intersection means the common elements of A and B. What are the common elements of A and B? Just see 1 and 2. Yes or no? So A intersection B is 1 and 2. Then A and this. What are the elements of this A and empty set? Intersection, no element is common between these two sets. So empty it will be. Now you have to find union. Union means all the elements, so 1 and 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you.